Well, our plan is to put a steak on the grill this evening, and I would surely like to have some Burgundy mushrooms to go with it. Oh, they're so easy to make. But I got this little problem. When you open the door to let the dog out, and it doesn't want to go, so you shut the door, grab the doorknob, and you're bringing it towards you, but your hand kind of slips off of it. You do this fancy dance thing, so you don't step on the dog. But you could end up hitting the table next to the bed, just like this. And the arm doesn't go where it's supposed to go, so there's no way you're gonna curl your hair with that arm. And I happen to be right-handed, so we got the little wig on today. So just check it out. Please subscribe to my channel. Every Friday you'll get a low sodium video to help you keep that sodium low. The mushrooms are easy to do. I'd have some help with the cutting up, but we're just going to go from here, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter with 1 clove of minced garlic in my frying pan. I cooked it about 3 minutes. Get that nice aroma of that garlic out there. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, around and about 1/4 tarragon leaves. You can use fresh tarragon. I'll have to use a little bit more to get the flavor. And 8 ounces of white mushrooms cut in half. I've used different kinds of mushrooms. I just happen to like these best. They're going in. Well, and I'll stir them until those mushrooms start to brown. Then when they start to brown, in goes Burgundy 1. I like to use the Burgundy 1 in my spaghetti sauce and on the mushrooms. Just a couple of things, but ooh, is it ever good. We'll add the Burgundy 1, simmer it until all of the wine evaporates, and our mushrooms will be done. Just about 10 minutes on medium heat, the mushrooms started to brown. I'm turning it down just a little bit more, and I want to put like a pinch of pepper. I'm just going to stick it in the wine, that's all. And the wine's going to go in. I'll stir it, and we're cooking it until it all evaporates. The mushrooms are going to be mighty fine. I've served these to people who say, oh, I don't like mushrooms. Well, they kind of change their mind a little bit. I'll stir these occasionally. I'll let you know how long it takes for all that whole half cup of wine to evaporate. In 3 days, I get the wrap off of my arm. Woohoo! And I sure do hope that my arm is real functional by then. Otherwise, I just might have to wear the wig again. We don't know. The mushrooms only have 33 milligrams of sodium. It took 15 minutes to evaporate all of the wine out of the pan. I have 20 mushroom halves that really would make nice appetizers, as well as go with your steak or your roast beef whatever you're going to have. So easy to make.